Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. K.M. Hazare. In today's lecture, we will be seeing regarding about the dienes. Diene is nothing but the hydrocarbon containing two double bonds. It is also called as the alkadienes. Their general molecular formula is CnH2n-2. As you know that CnH2n-2 is nothing but the molecular formula for alkyne. So, dienes are nothing but the isomeric with alkynes with their same molecular formula. These are the certain examples of alkadiene: 1,3-butadiene, 2,5-heptadiene, 2-methyl-1,3-heptadiene, butadiene. In all these examples, we are having multiple double bonds, two double bonds. They are separated by a single bond, two the single bonds, or maybe they are alternate to each other. Next one is the classification of dienes. Dienes are classified on the basis of the position of two double bonds. Here double bonds, they are classified into three types: conjugated double bonds, in which two double bonds they are separated by a single bond. Here in isolated double bond system, two double bonds they are separated by two single bonds. While in cumulated double bond system, double bonds they are adjacent to each other. So this is the basis. On the basis of this, dienes are classified into three types: cumulated dienes, conjugated dienes, and isolated dienes. First one is the cumulated dienes. In cumulated dienes, multiple bonds they are adjacent to each other. Example 1,2-propadiene. Here, double bonds they are adjacent to each other. Same thing in 2,3-pentadiene. Double bonds are present adjacent to each other. So these are the two examples of cumulated dienes in which double bonds they are adjacent to each other. Then conjugated dienes. Conjugated dienes are those dienes in which double bond they are separated by a single bond. For example, 1,3-butadiene. But in case of 1,4-pentadiene, we are not having two double bonds, they are separated by a single bond, while these are separated by two single bonds. So it is not example of conjugated dienes, while 1,3-butadiene is nothing but the example of conjugated dienes. Third one is the isolated dienes, in which multiple bonds they are separated by two or more single bonds, while 1,4-pentadiene is the one of the example of isolated diene in which two double bonds they are separated by two single bonds. So in this way, the dienes are classified into three types: conjugated dienes, isolated dienes, and cumulated dienes on the basis of the separation of two double bonds. Next one is the method of formation of 1,3-butadiene. Here 1,3-butadiene is obtained from dehydrogenation of alkane, dehydration of diol, and third one is the dehydrohalogenation of dihalides. We will be seen one by one. Dehydrogenation of alkane, it means that removal of hydrogen from alkane. Here in industrial scale, vapors of N-butane they are heated over chromium oxide and aluminum oxide catalyst at 600 degrees Celsius. It gives the 1,3-butadiene. In second method, dehydration of diol takes place, in which the 1,4-diol is undergo dehydration by means of concentrated sulfuric acid. This diol converts it into 1,3-butadiene. Third one is the dehydrohalogenation of dihalide. Here on the treatment with the alcoholic solution of KOH, this dihalide 1,4-dichlorobutane is undergoes double dehydrohalogenation by means of alcoholic KOH. It gives 1,3-butadiene. So these are the three methods they are generally useful for the preparation of 1,3-butadiene. First one is the dehydrogenation of alkene. Second one is dehydration of diol, and third one is the dehydrohalogenation of dihalide.